Good morning, everyone, and welcome. Before we start, we have a disclosure. Please be aware of risk in the future trading. All our videos are for educational purpose only. You're very welcome to follow any of our automated signal as long as you are on a sim. We're not responsible for your trade, and we are not your financial advisor. So we uh, we're gonna start taking the auto trades down. And before we do that, uh, it's very important right now. You see the ES 4066, 4066. If we are crossing the 4066, we are in a very good shape, and and this means we are changing from short to long, and I don't want it. So on the Nasdaq we have 2000 at the moment. If this ES cross the 4066, we have some serious trades coming in, and you see where the ES right there 4066 is gonna make a decision for you today if we are going to go above that or we are going to stay below the 4066. So it's very important, if you're not in a trade or you're not auto trading at the moment, please wait a couple minutes before you unleash your auto trade. And it does not matter if this auto trade from us or from somebody else is gonna make uh, it's not gonna make a difference. And then the Nasdaq got slammed as well, so we will see what happened. You see, this is, you can see immediately the auto trades start getting in a lot of trouble here because of this 4066. So this is where we strongly advise you to wait 5 minutes, and we will make a decision based on that. And the market come into the 4066 and having a problem. This means we're gonna go back to the short side. So this is gonna be confusion to some people, or it's gonna be confusion for your auto trade as well. So we're gonna keep our eye on that part to monitor the 4066. And as we see the same story on the Nasdaq, it failed to break that number, and the same thing failed to break that number here on the ES. So it's a total different uh, uh, direction, and we will monitor the market very carefully. And the Nasdaq start taking a short trade, and the YM start taking a short trade, and that it is changing direction immediately on the auto trades, and the ES start going short. And also there is another option you can see if you don't know how to look at the chart. If we look from the market analyzer, you can see the ES sell position, the Nasdaq still in buy position, and the YM, it is into the sell position. And another things also, you can see the ES, we have 3 confirmation to the short side, the Nasdaq is mixed, and then the YM is 3 short side. If we look on the CL, you can see is a very mixed market in which we have a trade on the CL right now, and on and on and on. The gold, it is one direction short, and the third, this is the puzzle. The ES and the 30-year Treasury bond go in the same direction. So one of them is wrong because they cannot go together, those two. They should be working the opposite direction. So for people know what to do, they can open a chart and see which one is wrong, which one is right. For just a normal people, there is something wrong. And now we have the Nasdaq sell position right there, which we know that. We called that before it happened. But the problem, we have a double support area here. It's going to be a problem. Also on the ES, we have a double support area here. So the market is a little bit I hope they can break this area here. And we did. Good. We have the ES support 4051. I hope it can be, we can break this one. Okay. We're going to the next level, 4046. The Y I'm going in the same direction. So the next level is going to be 4047, and I think it will be finished somewhere around 4047, and the short is over, guys, because if we look below the 4046, there is a lot of support area here. So the short side at 4047, this is the destination for the ES, and it will be finished for the short side. So if you are trading our auto trade or somebody else auto trade is irrelevant here. This is the max you're gonna get out of the short trade, and actually we're gonna stay a little bit longer on the ES trade to see if we can break it, but this is the end of the line. There is a double support area at 4051, and below the 4047 there is nothing anymore. It's finished. Actually, you should be start thinking about reversal. So